QVScribe performs three primary types of analysis: requirements quality, unit and term consistency, and requirement similarity. Since this is our first time looking at this particular document, we're going to start by looking at the quality of the requirements. First, we click Analyze. It's going to run all three reports and view analysis. So this is our quality analysis, and it's listed by default in the same order that it appears in the Excel spreadsheet, but we can also list it according to the quality score. See, each requirement is given a score from 1 to 5 based on the analysis of 7 different qualitative indicators. So a low score indicates that QVScribe found multiple lexical issues that need to be corrected, and the document is at an increased risk of introducing problems at later phases of the project development and procurement. So by sorting them according to their quality score, I can look at what I need to focus on first. So let's focus on this one, which is a 1 out of 5, and you'll see it gives me a quality score. Everything that needs my attention is highlighted over here, and I can click on them one at a time to see that this one has no imperatives. Second, it contains optional words, which is highlighted here, should, and it contains vague words. So those are 3 of the 7 categories. Another is quality warnings. So the quality warnings are outside of the quality score because it just is a word that needs your attention. In this case, it's a universal quantifier. Just wants to make sure that when you use the word no, that's actually what you mean. As we scroll down, you can see here that these requirements were all given a 5 score. So those ones are all good to go. And I can sort those again by the way that they're listed in the document. That's the quality analysis in QVScribe for Excel.